we'll guide you through how to import Excel data into Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening your browser and letting it load so you can begin with a clear view. Move to the search bar and type Google Sheets. Then wait until the page fully loads before doing anything else. When the results appear, select the first web option that shows up so you can enter the Google Sheets home screen. Once you are inside, choose the file you want to export as a CSV for Notion. For example, if you want to use your annual budget sheet, click on it so the file opens. Give it a moment to fully load because rushing here can cause problems when exporting. After the sheet finishes loading, go to the File section located in the top left corner of Google Sheets. When the menu drops down, look for the Download section. Inside that section, select the CSV option so Google Sheets can start downloading the file in the right format. Wait patiently until the CSV file fully downloads to your device. When the download finishes, open a new tab in your browser. In that tab, type Notion into the search bar and wait for it to load. Select the first web result that appears so you can enter Notion. Log in or sign in with your account so you can access your workspace. After everything loads, create a new page inside Notion by selecting the option to make one. When the new page opens, look for the three dots below the main area. Click them to open a menu. This will bring up several options. From that list, find and select the import option. A new window will appear with different import formats you can choose from. Select the CSV option inside that menu so Notion knows what type of file you are bringing in. After that, press Choose File. A small file window will appear on your screen, letting you browse through your folders. Look for the CSV file you downloaded earlier. When you find it, select it and then press Open so the file attaches. After the file is chosen, press Import. Notion will process the CSV file and bring the content into your new page.